My name is Marcelle Maxwell. I am a nurse manager at Cooper House Residential Aged Care, which is a facility that has 58 residents, approximately 60 staff, and it's a great privilege to be in the seat that I'm in. I have more or less probably about 20 staff on in the 24 hours. Basically our days are centred around looking after the residents and what keeps them happy and making them safe. My first thing that I do every day is check the call bell response times, which has been a massive improvement for our residents and our staff. You know, I can look on the computer and I can check that all the residents have been attended to in a very timely fashion over the last 24 hours or 2 days. And then I can feed that back to the staff that they're doing a great job, which they do. And also talk to residents and families as well to say, you know, we're all working together really well, doing a great job, and hopefully everyone is happy. Ascom, for me, stood out right from the very start. They had everything that we had asked for, all in the one system. That suited our residents' needs and staff obviously as well, to make a good system and a safe place for our residents.
For our residents to be able to communicate and connect with the staff when they need help is very important. So obviously technology's moved on. We needed to replace our call bell system. I was very clear that what we didn't want was something that looked like a hospital. And talking to the residents and looking at the big vision, we needed to make sure that there weren't loud noises going off, lights flashing in the hallway, because that really speaks of a hospital. So the big picture around looking for our new call bell system was to make sure it was something that wasn't going to intrude into the residents' life, but it was going to make them feel safe and secure.
So over time we've developed a really good working relationship with Ascom. From myself as the project manager on this one, you know, from the sales team right through to the service department, we've built some really good relationships there, and it's really that, you know, partner relationship rather than vendor and customer type relationship. So you know, it's been a really good experience from that point of view right from the start. You know, Ascom have been really open to listening to what we need as an organisation, and really good at adapting to changes on the fly. So, and also, you know, the relationship that the Ascom team has developed when they go into one of our homes has just been phenomenal. You know, they really do build a relationship with our staff, and more importantly with our residents, who, you know, this is their home that they're going into. So the relationship that they've been building with the residents has been really good, where, you know, they can sit down and have a chat for, you know, 10 to 15 minutes, you know, talk about what's going on in their day. So they're really establishing good relationships, working relationships with our staff, and as well as the residents.
So we had a scope that was very clear. I've talked about the residents and the staff need. What we needed to make sure that we had one solution that actually met all those needs for the residents and staff. So as soon as you add one part and then another part, it actually causes a difficulty later on down the track. So when we scoped the project, we actually were looking for a solution that could do the call bell, could do the mats, could do the lasers, could do the enable residents to walk freely, and we were able to find the residents, but also they were able to wear a safety alert or a buzz around their neck, so they were also free. So having all those elements in that one system was very important for us, and Ascom certainly did that for us.